Hello! We have arrived to Underwood Family Farms. If you live in Los Angeles, it's like about 30-40 minutes from the city. We go for to pick up some veggies, fruits, see some animals. Let's go with us. Tomato. You like tomato, right? A lot. Many kind of lettuces. Yeah, different lettuces. There is carrots, radish, beets. Admissions is Monday to Friday $5 and Saturday, Sunday $8 per person. Here is the list for the pickups for the today. For example, today we can get lemons for 49 cents and the lettuce $1.29 each. It's everything for pickup, mandarins and other stuff. Yoo-hoo! Where is my face? Woohoo! Horse riding! This is our fun animal park. This is my horses. And look at that goat. This is goat. And we can see many other animals. Mountain goats and others animals. Finally, we got this cart. We're so lucky. And we can pick up veggies on the field. It's a really nice place to spend the time in a weekend here. So many families with kids, with children, and this is my favorite spot. There is the fields when you can pick up the veggies. We are going to go there for pick up something.
The plan is to go through the fields, and these are self-served fields. You can pick up different type of fruits and vegetables. And here we have our cart with us.
This is big fun. Looking for tomatoes. Here is a blackberry. It's going to be ready in July. Boysenberries. What is this? Never seen it. Tomatoes are not ready yet. Potatoes! It's potatoes! I can't believe it's potato, real potato. Oh! It's a real potato. Cucumbers. Actually, I have a salad. Cucumbers. And I don't remember how it calls in English, but in Russian it calls ukrop. I have a salad. I need some sour cream. And I'm happy. So our harvest today is potatoes, strawberries, cucumber, so yummy, some dill, squash, and some lettuce. So potato salad, some strawberry tea. It was a good pickups. We got our harvest from the fields, Underwood Family Farms. And happy going back.